Hello and welcome to the weekly update. This week in Europe, Nokia was successful in getting another Chinese smartphone brand banned in Germany. Also in China, there is a rumor that Chinese smartphone manufacturers are planning to adopt Huawei's operating system. And also, Tesla also plans to establish another megapack battery production plant in China. Now, to the full updates. To my first story of the week, Nokia managed to win another lawsuit against another smartphone manufacturer, that is Vivo. This was basically a battle over patents belonging to Nokia. In effect, Vivo will have to stop selling its products in Germany. This is the same situation that Oppo and OnePlus experienced, which saw both companies closing their official sales channels in the country. As you know, Vivo, Oppo and OnePlus all belong to the same parent company, that is BBK Group. Now, Nokia is actually using this patent in Germany to ensure that companies pay the necessary patent fees as well. Now, to my next story. There's a rumor in China that Chinese smartphone manufacturers are considering to adapt Huawei's mobile operating system, that is the HarmonyOS. As you know, Huawei lost access to the Google service as a result of the US sanction, pushing Huawei to develop their own operating system. Taking a look at what happened to Huawei, it is quite obvious that Chinese smartphone manufacturers may not want to put all their eggs in one basket. So, Huawei's operating system provides them with an alternative in case in the near future they may also face the same sanction Huawei faced. As of now, this remains a speculation, so I will be keeping you updated on any new happening as well. Now, to my next update, Tesla announced that they are going to establish a megapack battery production plant in Shanghai. This new factory will have the capacity to produce 10,000 megapack batteries. These batteries are mostly used to store up power for commercial use and household use, which means that these batteries are not meant for Tesla cars. And this is a quick update for the week. See you in the next one, and kindly don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next update. Thank you so much and have a good day.